Isang nakaka-touch na pagbabahagi nga muli ng 18 or ng SB19 fan na mula kay Charity G. Asustilia ang kanyang ibinahagi. Aniya, there's a thin line between being a fan and being too attached. Of course, we all have our delulu moments. That's part of loving artists. But the people we admire are human too. They grow, they fall in love, they date, and someday they may choose to marry someone. We may have imagined what it would feel like to be with them, and that's normal. But the truth is, no matter how deep our admiration is, we do not have a romantic relationship with them. Loving them does not give us the right to control their lives or their choices. As a fandom, respect should always come first. We should never respond with anger toward them or toward the person they choose to love. If we truly care, we will want what brings them peace, stability, and happiness. As fans, we should be the first to make them feel safe and comfortable. Our support should be a place they can breathe, not something they have to fear. They continue to stand on stage, create music, and share their lives because of love, not pressure. Let us not be the reason they grow tired, get hurt, or slowly lose the joy in doing what they love for us. Instead, let us be the reason they feel encouraged to keep going. They are already at the right age to date, to love, and to live their lives fully. Supporting them means trusting them, respecting their choices, and cheering for their happiness, even when it does not include us. Yan nga ang ibinahagi ng isang 18 na si Charity G. Asustilia Ahero. Ito'y matapos nga na alam naman natin na nagkaroon ng rumored ng kung ano-ano nitong mga nakaraang araw. At ayon nga sa kanya, dapat respetuhin kung ano man meron ang nasabi nga pong grupo dahil someday talagang magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang pamilya at dapat tanggapin nyo ng mga fans even though hindi ka nakasali doon. Well, ano masasay nyo sa napakagandang mensahe na ito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. In just or all credit to the rightful owners, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.